Hello guys, my name is Madhur and welcome to my channel. This is the 57th tutorial in the series of tutorials on Unix shell scripting. In this tutorial, we are going to improve the script that we made in the previous tutorial, and I have it here. It's called check and has the extension sh. And the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to check whether the input that has been provided to us, that is the username that we've stored in the variable log name, whether an account of that username actually exists on the system or not. And obviously we'll have to use grep to search, and we are going to search in the password file in the etc folder. So I'll type in grep, and then I'll type in $log name, and since this is a string, I'm gonna put it within double quotes, and we are going to check whether this can be found in etc slash password, right? And or if it is there, then we do not want grep to display the pattern or the entire string on screen. So we are going to redirect the output to the null file in the dev directory, and then we are going to use if to check whether the exit status of this command on line 4 is 0 or not, and that I'm going to do by typing in $hyphen eq space 0, right? And well, if the exit status is 0, then it means that a user account does exist with the login name that we've stored in the variable log name. And in that case, we are going to use echo to display a message like wait, right? Because then the script is going to do the other thing, and that is it's going to check whether the user has logged in or not, and if it has, then it will display some message, and if it the user hasn't logged in, then it's going to wait for the user to log in, and whenever the user will log in, it will display a message then. So that's why we are going to just display a message like wait. And if the exit status isn't 0, in that case we are going to get inside the else block, and we are going to display a message using echo, something like user not found, right? And we put a full stop there, and we move outside the if block by typing in the keyword fi, and that's pretty much it. That's that's the enhancement that I wanted to make to the script. And I'll bring up my terminal and execute the script for you guys. So I'll have to type in sh space check.sh, because that's the script name. And when I type in a username that I'm sure doesn't exist on the system, like Sam, and press the enter key, it tells me user not found, right? And I can get back my dollar prompt by typing in Control C, clear the script. And maybe I should put in exit here, because we would not want to press Control C to get our prompt back. We would want the script to do that for us. So I'll save this, and I'll bring up my terminal, and I'll execute the script again, and this time again with the input Sam. And now you see that I get the message, and my dollar prompt is automatically returned to me, right? But if I provide a valid username like new user 2 and press the enter key, then I get the message wait this time, right? And let me open up another terminal window, and type in sudo space login, and when I press the enter key, I'll have to type in my password, and then the username of the account with which I wish to log in, and then the password for that user account, and I get my prompt. And you see that I don't get a message immediately, and that's because the while must be waiting for the user to log in. And since we've used sleep 60 in our script, it means that the loop is going to check every 60 seconds, right? So it checked once when we executed the script, and now it's going to check again after 60 seconds. So we'll have to wait, and it could be any moment now. And there you go, it tells us that new user 2 has logged in, and new user 2 was 1 minute late in logging in, right? So that's pretty much it. In the next tutorial, again, we are going to make the script more efficient, and I'm gonna make a few more modifications. So see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this one, and please subscribe to my channel.